Hi there. This is the first video uh, for Monday, April 13th, and it's Module 5, Lesson 13 in your packet. And every day you're going to have two videos. The first video will be the warm-up, and the second video will be the lesson. So to refresh your memory, we are practicing multiplying, sometimes with fractions, to find the area and the volume of figures. So for our warm-up, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. We're going to start here. So you want to make sure that you have a pen or a pencil and a notebook or something to write with for this part. So I'm going to give you some time to think and then say the answer. So say the number sentence and the product. So you might have felt silly, but hopefully you said 1/3 times 1/5 equals 1/15. For the second one, say the sentence. 2/3 times 2/5 equals 4/15. And I could write it for you. That's going to take a little bit of time, but maybe I'll start doing that. So on your board, so on your piece of paper, write the equation and solve. So we won't do all of them. So how about let's do these four. Okay, so for the first one, I'll give you a little time. And if you remember, when we're multiplying by fractions, you multiply the numerators together, and then you multiply the denominators together. And so you should have gotten 6/12, but you see here that it says simplify if possible, and that means to put it in simplest terms. So you're going to ask yourself, do the numerator and the denominator have a number in common that they're both divisible by? And if so, what is the largest number that they're both divisible by? In this case, it's 6. So this is going to simplify. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So it's going to simplify to 1/2. The next one, 1/2 times 3/4. I'll give you a moment to write that down. Okay, and you should have gotten 3/8. Okay, moving down here, 2/3 times 3/5. Give you a moment. And I should see 6/15. What number are both numerator and denominator divisible by? That would be 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the answer is 2/5. And then finally, 3/4 times 4/5 is going to leave you with 12/20. And that's not in simplest form. We can divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 6/10. All right, let's move on. We only have about a minute left here. Find the volume of this figure. We've got how many units we're looking for. When we're looking for volume, we're going to multiply the length times the width times the height. So the length, the width, and the height. Okay, so the length, it looks like it's 4 units long, times the width would be 1, 2 units long, and the height would be 1, 2, 3 units long. So, okay, how many? Number 2. I think we're going to stop there. And it looks like our warm-up segment will be made up of 2 videos. So this is video 1. I'll see you back in a moment for video number 2.